that I drove by. Look at this horses out here. Oh yeah, we take it off grid. Look at this one. Sit back there. That you can't miss that one. Looking for the house. Yeah, they don't want to listen to me. They're too busy eating or whatever. Oh boy, look at all the horse poop. They don't want to be green. Look at all these horses, man. Oh, nice. There's one down there. I'll go around. Hello, horses. Jocks Horse Farm. Boarding lessons. Oh my gosh, this wind. Ooh, look at the poop over here, man. That. Oof. Electric fence, so you can't get too close. They get a water source. That's cool. I didn't even know that was back there until I made a delivery to one of the houses back here. Nice back there. Yeah, this is what I thought it was, water. Hey, what's that? Oh. Wow, look at all the horses this guy has. Sheepish. Yay! Trump supporter, woohoo! Anybody who has property like that in a farm, definitely